Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Happy Louis Vuitton Day guys, and for today's episode, I'm going to share to you all the new collections of LV. I'll be providing you all the information that you need to know, so just kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot. And of course guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace, about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Damier for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I would like to share now the new collection of LV. So this would be launching April 2026. First guys, we have this very beautiful pochette cosmetic, size PM, price is 725 USD. So the material guys, please take note, is organic cotton canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is ocean blue, that is the textile lining, and of course it would come with gold hardware. So next we have the Voyager. So that would be priced at 2,970 USD. Same material of the organic cotton canvas, and as you can see, the interior is called lightning red, made of textile lining. Of course it comes with leather trims just like with the longer strap, and as you can see, so this is how you're going to open and close the Voyager shoulder bag. So next on the collection, so we have the Louis Vuitton Escale. So again, apologies for the mispronunciation. Price is 2,840 USD. So this is the interior. So colorway of the interior now is ocean blue, so it comes with the pinstripes. Of course it comes of course with the leather trims and detachable back tag that is also color in the ocean blue, or it looks like a navy blue colorway. Then guys, how cute is this Shiba bag? So this is definitely a must for any pet lover. So price is 7,000 USD. We have the SKU here. So the material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and of course it comes with shearling. Colorway is beige, it comes with bag tag, and it comes with detachable monogram strap. How cute! Next guys, let us discuss this very beautiful Capucines East-West. So price is 9,650 USD. We have the SKU here. So the material is rattan, and guys, the leather that it comes with is made of caroon or snake skin leather trims. As you can see, colorway is white, and the interior is made of leather as well. It's like a picnic Kelly or picnic Birkin bag, don't you agree? So next guys, we have the Capucines BB East-West. Price at 9,650 USD. We have the SKU here. So the main body is made of rattan. Then of course the leather trims that it comes with is also made with exotic caroon or snakeskin leather in the colorway noir with gold studs. Thank you for watching today's episode. Just a quick shout out for today's sponsors. Guys, you can now custom order your Zumoni bag organizers, bag accessories such as pouches, dust bags, and many more. And best part is you can now get 20% discount using my discount or coupon code Ramiro5. What I love having a Zumoni bag organizer is I customize to the way I like it. I chose a base material, collar, I added interior pocket, zipper, D-ring, and I added a base shaper to keep the structure of my luxury bags. Head on over now guys to Zumoni.com and order and customize your very own bag accessories. Thank you to Zumoni.com for sponsoring this part of this video, and now back to our vlog. Thank you guys! As promised guys, since I have now more photos and prices, so let's go back to the Damier Azur coated canvas collection. So first we have the makeup paper. So price of this one is 560 USD. So the materials Damier Azur coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. So as you can see, this also comes with gold hardware. So this is like an oil blotting sheet paper with like a attached mirror to the SLG. Then we have the lip and eye brush set. Price is 1,140 USD. So the main materials, Damier Azur coated canvas. This is the interior made of vachetta leather. Then of course it comes with the brush set with the detachable mirror, as you can see here. So guys, these are already available online. So please check the website and please check and confirm with your personal CAs. Then guys, how gorgeous is this Cousin PM? Price at 4,100 euro or 5,350 USD. They have outdone themselves for this bag because of course the material, guys, is lambskin leather in the Damier Azur pattern. Wow, really gorgeous. I really love this Cousin bag. Next guys, we have the Nano Speedy. Price at 2,200 USD. We have the SKU here. So this one is the material is now the coated canvas in the Damier Azur pattern. Of course, it comes with vachetta leather trims, detachable leather strap, and if you're going to notice the top handle, I love the braided detail. Super gorgeous and making the bag more chic, and I feel that you could wear it because you're not going to afraid of the untreated vachetta leather. Just like with the Skipa 45 bandolier, price is 3,600 USD. We have the SKU here. So Damier Azur coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. Colorway is banana yellow. That is the interior. It comes with detachable leather strap and of course leather bag tag. So next on the collection, so let us discuss. This one is also a big yes for me. So we have the toiletry pouch, price at 740 USD. So a little bit expensive, of course, from the original price of the toiletry pouch. So main materials, the Damier Azur coated canvas with cowhide leather trims. The interior is banana yellow. Then of course, this one comes with gold hardware. So I'm hoping that it's not as stiff because I've tried the toiletry pouch at LV store. It is really stiff compared to the original design. Then guys, let us discuss this light Bliss couture collection that is already available right now. And of course, check with the website and your CAs. So first guys, we have the pochette métisse. East-West price is 3,150 USD. So as you can see, light Bliss couture collection is made of leather, of course, just like with the pochette live. Price at 2,330 USD. So the main material of this collection is the monogram Empreinte couture logo leather with cowhide leather trim. So this pochette live, of course, comes with detachable leather strap, and it's like a two pochette stuck together. Then of course it comes with gold hardware as well. Then guys, how beautiful is the Speedy 20 bandolier? So definitely this is a big yes. So what I'm loving about this collection, because as you can see, the logo or the monogram is a little bit understated because we're going to see that it features like a diamond pattern. Then of course on the edges it has the LV, and then of course the Louis Vuitton flower design detail. Super cute, very different and very contemporary, just like with this Ivy wallet on chain. So please take note, since this is a wallet on chain, this is a smaller size. I think this is the same size if I'm not mistaken, or maybe a little bit smaller or a little bit bigger with the Felici pochette. So as you can see, this is the interior. So basically you can just house your phone, your lipstick in a key, then that would be it. Then of course we have another SLG. We have the Victorine wallet. So Victorine wallet price at 965 USD. We have the SKU here as well. So materials monogram Empreinte couture logo with the leather. Then of course it comes with cowhide leather trims, and of course it comes with gold hardware. So this is the close-up view of how the couture collection looks like. Next we have the on the go size PM. Super gorgeous, and of course loving the light pink colorway. Price at 3,050 euro. We have the SKU here. It would come with the same material of the monogram Empreinte couture logo leather with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior, classic on the go design, but of course this one comes with detachable leather strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? If you have stayed until this part of this vlog, kindly leave me a star emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon over here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted fam. Please help me reach 6,000 subbies. Also, kindly like, share, comment on this video, and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's @Damier52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!